This is Irontrader, and this is Sunday night. So I'm going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. Now, this week here, everything should be the same. Crude oil API report will be on Tuesday at 4:30. The EIA for crude will be on Wednesday at 10:30, and then EIA for natural gas will be on Thursday at 10:30, and then we have that rig count there on Friday. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil and natural gas. Now remember, this week here will be about the last full week of trading here. Then the following week we have that the Christmas holiday coming into play. So we want to try to make some good money here this week here, and then maybe we can just cruise in the following week. Okay, crude oil here, well, this is going just as planned. Okay, what we had here is we had these war premiums going on. Okay, then we had this really nice here run up, but where did it go? Right here, I said always watch that price channel, 71.51, which is basically just the top of this candle here. Okay, so Friday we got as high as 71.42, just a little bit shy. And so far today here, we got 71.44, but now we have a red candle, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out here. Now, okay, so if you know where the resistance levels up here for people that say, you can't trade the charts or after looking, they just don't know how to trade the charts, okay? So when we were down here, I told you, once we get above this 8 and 21 day, then you're going to be looking for that 50 day. You get above that here, this is your big target right there at the 70.51. And look where you went, okay? 71.42. Okay, so this is exactly why you want to trade the charts. Now, again, if we can stay somehow get above that 71.51, then we're going to be looking for here this 71.54, that 100-day, which is just right above it. Now, again, if we can get above that, then we're going to come here to the top of this candle. Your next resistance is going to be 71.81. We'll come top of here, 72.25, and then we're going to come right to the top of this candle, 72.88. That's going to be your nice big retest here, okay? But obviously, if that can go up high, say it keeps right on rallying here, well, then we'll just look here to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 73.26. You look at the top of that candle, 74.45. We come up here, 75.08, and then we come right up on top here, 76.04, and then we come right there at 76.24, and then we can come up here to the next level, which is going to be that 76.11, which is your 200 simple moving average here. But when you look at here, like if you go like in the past, okay, and when you see these strong resistant levels, like your 8-day, your 21-day, your 50-day, your 100-day, you can see here how it rallied up here. And where did it go? Right to that 100-day, came right on off. The 200-day, and then came right on off, okay? Same thing here. 200-day, and then came right on off again here. So this is what the deciding factor is. Is this going to blow through this finally time and then rally up to the next level and take it up to the next level? Or is it going to be just like what we had, this kind of a situation here and here kind of a situation, okay? So downside we want to watch here, obviously, is today's low here so far is we have 71 flat. This is what you're going to be looking for here is 70.72, and then we'll come to the top of this candle at 70.53, and then we're going to come right here to this 50-day at 70.21. That's going to be very, very key support level. Now, if that's lost, we'll look to the bottom of this candle here at 69.87. That'll be your support level. And then we're going to start running into this 8-day, 69.35 and 69.16. Now, you look at this 8-day. See where you crossed that 21-day? That's very, very bullish. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So have no opinion. If you can come down here and it holds that 50-day, then we can maybe take another trade that right back up again. So right now what you do is you're trading that price channel, 71.51, and you're trading this 50-day at 70.21. So we're trading this range now. So is it going to break up or is she going to break down? So we know where it's going to go in both directions, okay? So the key here is this 8-day and that 21-day, but the 8-day's got a nice crossover now. So even if it does sell down, this is going to provide some really good support if that 50-day there is lost. So let's just see how this all shakes out here. Now, RSI, well, we got 56 here, plenty of room to go either direction. Your green is over red, shows momentum to the upside. That's always very good here. So when those market open here tomorrow morning, just watch this level here, this 71.51 and this right here, the 71.54. If we can get above that and close above it here, then we have some really nice targets that we can shoot for on your resistant levels, okay? Downside here, if it comes down, it has to hold that 50-day. If it isn't, then it's going to come right to the 8 and the old 21. Now, natty gas. Well, natty gas here is looking pretty good. Was anyway. Okay, so we had a nice double top situation, came down, held this 21-day very, very nicely. Then we rallied up here. So when we were all the way down here, as I said, if you can get above that 8-day, we just have to keep right on and watch it. But your big target is that 3.56. Where did it go? Okay, 3.559. I mean, that's pretty damn close. You know what I'm saying? But what you did is you put a double top in there. So when you see that double top and you can't close above, then you got to look at it as a short ski coming all the way on down. Now, today here we put in a lower low, but we're holding this key 21 day here. So it looks like we're trading between that 21 day, 3.19, and that 8 day right there at 3.23. Now, again, if we can get above that 8 day, then we're going to look to the bottom of this candle right here. You're looking at 3.28. That's your next resistance level. Then we'll come up to here, 3.32. Then we'll come up to here. Okay, you're looking at 3.40. Then we look at Friday's high at 3.48. And then we're going to come here and retest this level right here at that 3.56 level here. So again, we know exactly where it's going. Now, if we start losing this 21 day, well, then what we want to do is we want to look to the bottom of that candle right there. You're looking at 3.13, and it will come over here. You're looking at 3.06. Then we have 3.03, and then we have right there at 3 flat. Then we have 297. Those are your support levels. So right now, we're trading between that 21 day and the 8 day. Very, very tight. So it's going to break one way or the other. We got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, RSI here, 54. Plenty of room to go either way. Your green here now is below your red. That's not looking good because we had this big ass red candle. But always look for these patterns here. Now, if you want to look at chart patterns, all you do is click onto my playlist. There's chart patterns on there, how to trade that. There's candlesticks, how to trade that. There's a seasonality charts on there, or you can go to equityclock.com. Everything right at your convenience, okay? So today, what you do is when that market opens, watch this 21 day on a closing basis. Now, if we can get a candle like this where it comes below, or like this, and then it rallies right back up, that'd be a good buying opportunity here to take it right back up here. And again, if we can get above this 8 day, that might be a good opportunity here to start riding these candles up here to maybe even retest Friday's high at that 3.48 level here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be watching here is this 21 day. You lose the 21 day, we come right here. We know exactly where our targets are. If you crack above that 8 day, well, we just follow the candles here. We know exactly where our targets are. Same here again with crude. Just watch that right there. That's 71.51. Very, very key. We get above that, then we have our nice targets coming all the way up here until we get to that 72.82, 88, I mean. And then we can come down here. Watch that 70.22. If that holds, okay, then we can trade this range. If not, we can be looking for that 8 day and that 21 day. Okay, that's what I got for now. I'll be back here tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, and we'll take a look here at crude and natural gas. And then we always have midday trading. Then we have after the pick close. And then what we'll do is we're going to throw everything into the old mix here this week, as there should be a lot of really good trades. Now, watch Tesla. Tesla's sitting at, it closed out here pretty good at 436.23. We'll see if it can get up to the 450 area, maybe even higher here by the end of the year. That's always good trade. And then watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a really good trader here now. And you can see where Bitcoin is starting to rip up here. Very, very nice. You're up 3,450 right now here on the old Bitcoin. Now, I trade IBIT. And that seems to be working out here very, very nicely here. So if you can break this 105,750 level, then what we can do is we can go all the way up to that 110 level, okay? 110,000 level. So Bitcoin looks like it's in play. Tesla looks like it's in play here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, I'm watching here the Lions-Bills game. I'm a big Lions fan. We're not looking too good at here, but I'm going to get a little tribute at the end of the video here. Maybe it might help. All right. Thanks for watching.